What's going on, everybody? So this is how I know Brett Coin is going to make it. This is how I know Brett's going to get to $1 billion market cap. I'm going on record. This is one of the hottest meme coins right now. It's one of the biggest investments I have right now in the meme coin space. And something interesting is happening. And this is, to me, why I think Brett is definitely going to make it, amongst some other reasons. But I want to get to this first because it's kind of interesting. So what we're seeing here on the charts is a nice bounce back. Obviously, we need that. We've created a nice little floor here around like the 6 level. We're bouncing up nicely here, up about 8% today, almost back into the 7s. We actually already were on this daily candle that we're working on here. So I'm actually broadcasting this at 6 o'clock over 6 o'clock p.m. in Dubai right now. Have not slept. So it's been kind of crazy, but I'm here making this video for you guys. So hit the like button, subscribe down below. We're bouncing back nicely, but this is what I've been looking at. So there's been a ton of people ripping off of what Brett created, and they're creating their own meme coin. So we're getting a bunch of copycats, right? That's how I know like something's big is brewing here. I mean, meme coins on base in general are huge right now. The gas fees to transact over there are literally pennies. Literally pennies. Like a lot of people say, oh, it's cheap over here to transact. Literally, I have not had one failed swap on base chain. Have not had one. And have not paid more than 25 cents for a swap. That's how I know this chain's going to be big. And of course, meme coins drive it. Brett is the biggest meme coin on base. It's not yet listed on Coinbase. It's been trending higher. If you look at all the base metrics, the base chain metrics, whether you're looking at daily active users, weekly active users, TVL on the chain, total people coming in. I mean, any metric right now in the last month or so, there's nothing that compares, right? So that's why I think this is so important right now, because we're trying to set ourselves up. We're trying to get in some of these community token plays, some of these meme coins that have tremendous upside. Doge and SHIB are great, right? But they're massive, right? They're not going to give us the 20, 30, 40x, okay? Not in this cycle. They might do it long term, right? They might do it 10 years from now, but they've had their massive runs, right? I mean, we're talking about what? SHIB's a $16 billion market cap. It could still go up. Brett's not even $1 billion yet, though, right? So I'm looking to kind of, hold the Doge coins, hold the SHIBs, right, in my meme coin portfolio, but also I'm looking for these players that are where Brett is, sitting here at a $700 million market cap that who knows? How high could this thing go? Could it get to 10 billion? Could it get to 15? Could it get to 20? To give you guys some context, SHIB got to around 40, 45 last cycle. Doge got to what, 70, Austin? 75? Austin is over here with me. We're recording videos and stuff. So basically, at the end of the day, I mean,
he's lying to you. That was done with AI.
No, this is not AI. This is really me, guys. And that's really Austin. But Austin, what's your 2 cents on Brett, man?
Hello.
Yeah, get in there, dude.
I love it. I love Brett. Brett is
Seriously.
I mean, you're doing a fantastic job of talking about it. Hello. Okay. I think that Brett's. I mean, dude, you're doing great. Another hat, man. You're killing it.
Basically, we looked at Pepe when it was 100 million. Remember?
Yeah.
We got into Brett at 120 million.
Yeah.
That is the sweet spot. When you start seeing these meme coins get to 100 million. They're gaining exposure. Now it's like not so much a risk, right? Like you're not jumping into something that's $1 million, right? And if we do that too, but if we do, we're only putting a few $100. Once it's 100 million, you can go at it and still get some really big returns. We've already seen some nice returns on our Brett investment. I'm telling you guys, I've taken a little bit of profits, but I sleep pretty easy. Like I feel really comfortable about it. And that's kind of how I know. It doesn't bother me leaving Brett overnight. Even during this downturn, I wasn't nervous. So that tells me, if we have conviction in this, I think a bunch of other people do too. It's the hottest chain right now. It's the biggest meme coin on the hottest chain.
So I guess I want to prompt you with you have talked a lot about Coinbase, about how Coinbase is going. You haven't really said anything about that.
Oh yeah.
Coinbase is going to do for Brett. So kind of give
100%.
Base chain, right?
Yeah. I mean, and Coinbase's goal in general, guys, so what they're trying to do is they're trying to easily, we've said it for years, who can easily onboard people into the decentralized side of crypto, like without having to give them a whole rundown on MetaMask and do this and do that. Oh, you need to add the Binance chain now, and you're going to have to go to PancakeSwap over here, and you're going to have to go to Uniswap over here. Oh, you're going to have to do this. Make sure your slippage is right? Coinbase is actively working on integrating people. By the way, they have 100 million users on their centralized exchange. So they already have the network. Now, if they can integrate a wallet and an ecosystem right within their app that everybody already has downloaded on their phone, boom, they're easily into DeFi. And the first thing they see when they get into the base ecosystem right now, because people are still figuring it out, but they're going to make this transition even easier. First thing they're seeing is Brett. So you're slowly seeing it happen. Holders have been increasing like crazy. Guys, there's 75,000 holders of Brett now at a $700 million market cap. It reminds me a lot of the Shiba Inu early days. That's all I'm going to say. I mean, I know, will it do that? We don't know. But even if it does 25, 30% of what SHIB did, I still think there's tremendous upside here. So a fantastic opportunity, I think, with Brett on base. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Before you guys check out, make sure you guys do check out all the links that I've got. XT Algo, if you're looking to trade Brett, it is up on our trading indicator now. So you can trade Brett, find the perfect entry point and exit points. And if you're looking for an entry point, I think right now is a pretty decent one, in my opinion, not financial advice. So check all that out. And shout out to a new sponsor, Swap and Go. I'm hoping we can get Brett listed over there. It's not yet listed. They're an unbelievable DEX doing some unique things. I'm going to give you guys more information on that as the days continue here and this week continues. But they've got over about 200 cryptos listed. They've got some really cool features that they're bringing to market. Automatically cross-chain is something they're working on too. So I'll leave a link to Swap and Go, their DEX. They're coming out with a token very, very soon too. So be on the lookout for that. Links down below to all of their materials. And yeah, definitely check out XT Algo. Sign up with us today. 30-day money-back guarantee, guys. It's the best way to find the best entries in crypto using this trading indicator that I've got for you down below. Appreciate you guys. Give me your thoughts on Brett. We'll see you.